So can you make money with Amazon Associate Affiliate Marketing Program? The answer is absolutely yes. So in this video, I'm going to give you the cons and pros of Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program. As you can see over here, I'm on affiliateprogram.amazon.com, and what you can do is you can check actually how much money, how much commissions you can make as an affiliate promoting Amazon products. Now, as you know, on Amazon it's thousands of products. So what are the cons and what are the pros? Now, one of the pros of Amazon affiliate program is that there are thousands of different products in different niches or categories that you can go and promote as an affiliate. Yeah, you will need some kind of channel or kind of website, but there are thousands of different products you can promote, from technology to hobbies, mostly also many different physical products. So what are the cons of affiliate program with Amazon? If you are a newbie and if you want to make lots of sales, lots of money, let's say $100 or $300 every single day, let's look at an example of how many sales of particular product do you need in order to make, let's say, your first $100 online with Amazon Associates affiliate program. As you can see here, if you go to Amazon Associates and check fixed standard commissions income rates, right? As you can see, only Amazon games are at 20% commission. Now most, as you can see, of rest of the products are around 2 to 3%, right? 3% for home improvement, beauty, business, and industrial supplies, 3%. So it's really hard to make lots of money as a newbie, as an affiliate, with only 1 or 2 sales per day, right? Let's say that you are selling our product for $100 and you make only 3% commission. This is really low. You're making like $3 per sale. So you need around, let's say, 100 sales per day to make $300 in a day. So what would be the better option for you as a newbie who tries to make money online with affiliate marketing program? Let me give you a good example of where you could get started with if you want to make, let's say, a higher commissions. Personally, I would suggest you to start with digital products. One of the reasons is because, of course, with digital products, you can make a lot more money, a lot more commissions as an affiliate, right? If you're running traffic to your website, to your affiliate link. Let me give you an example with clickbank.com. So if you go to clickbank.com, if you don't know what is ClickBank, ClickBank is free affiliate marketing platform, affiliate platform where you can go to choose any products you want. So what you can do, if you're not a member yet, you can start here and sign up for free as an affiliate. And then what you can do is you can go and choose out of different categories, different products that you can promote as an affiliate. So why I would suggest ClickBank? Because you are getting simply from 75 up to 90% commission per sale. So that means that, let's say that you have a product for $100 and you make a 90% commission. With only 1 sale a day, you're already making a $90 commission, which is decent money, right? Almost $3,000 per month with only 1 sale of $100 product online, right? So how you can get started? I have templates, right, that I can give it to you. I have different templates where you can set up and get done for your affiliate website, which is professionally built. You can get your ad copies, you can get your targeting details, right? So if you want to put your affiliate marketing or your online business as an affiliate up and running, then below this video are going to be links where you can reach out to me on social media or email, and you can connect with me and ask me for those templates so that can help you personally to set up your affiliate website very quickly and then start running ads to your page. So once you have your pre-sale page or landing page, then you can of course start having great results once you understand how it works. So let me know below this video, okay? And before you go out of this video, please subscribe to my channel so you can get more helpful tips like this. Again, thank you for watching this video.